right? First of all, I want to know how many of you have the laptop or on desktop, or sometimes your family members or the brothers or sisters have laptop. Then in any case, you can use that laptop or desktop. I want to know about that. I will launch one poll now. Please respond your answer. Okay. Now, in your desktop, show one question. Please answer for that. If you have laptop or desktop, okay. Otherwise, sometimes your family members, like brothers or sisters, have any PC. Out of 59, 53 are responsive. Other 6 students not provide any feedback, because I want to know about you have laptop or no, PC or not, because I want to schedule the assignment exam. Okay, assignment exam. After finishing the Word practical session, you want to face one assignment examination. I will give one assignment to you. You want to submit the assignment within particular time. Sometimes I will give 2 hours. You want to submit your assignment within 2 hours. Okay. So in this case, without laptop or desktop, difficult. Okay. Out of 59 students, the 57 students are responded. Okay. According this, around, I think around 52 members, 52% of members are having laptop or desktop, and around 80% of the students who have laptop or desktop or any with their family members. Okay, thank you for your response. Wait 1 minute. Good. One student says, I don't have a laptop, either desktop, but I am borrowing a laptop from my friend to do assignment. That's good. Thank you. I will discuss with the dean and other heads. Then I will inform about your assignment. Okay. Right. We will start our session now. I think almost nearly complete our word assignment or word session, practical session, right? Up to last class, we learn about so many contents. First class about the word features and the basic font formatting. Okay.
Recording in progress.
And then followed by that the paragraph formatting, the paragraph alignment, page alignment, page setup, page background, page border, the column insert different number of columns, how to manage the column, crop cap, so many options I explained, right? Here these all I explained in the first class or second class, and insert most of the important tools in insert menu explained, right? Design, layout, and references. Most of these okay, the endnote, footnote, table of contents, and other things. I think this bibliography or the references and the captions is some advanced features, but in your final year dissertation time, you want to know about these settings. Okay. So before your final year research presentation of research, I will explain again how to manage table of contents and how to manage the citation and how to insert caption and everything. Okay. Then the last class covered the mail merge options. Right. Okay. Today I will explain. First 1 hour, I will explain the other advanced pages, and other 1 hour, I will give time to you. If you have any problem or any facing any problem to do the assignment or when design the assignment, please ask. I will explain the particular option, right? Right here, this is the one document. I saved this document on my desktop, the video, or otherwise my document 1 is the name of this document. I think I already explained about how to save and how to manage the save location in the first class, right? But your first practical session, I covered this, how to save and how to manage this in save as dialog box, right? Click OK. Now this document saved in your desktop or your selected storage, your selected location, right? Now, after I copy this, I have some. Now we have 7 pages. Okay, 7 pages, right? So if you want to print out this document, if you want to get print out in this document, file and print, right? File, then print. Now this is the print preview, and this is the print button. The number of copies. Okay, so every page is how many copies? So only 1 copy is that's enough. Sometimes if you put 5 copies, print 5 copies each. and this is the printer. Okay, the first you want to install the printer on this computer. These are the already installed printers. This one the LaserJet printer, and this is the card any desk printer and the computer unit printer. Some installed printers name listed are listed here. First, you want to select which printer you want to print out, take print out. Now the printer not connected with PC. That's mean the offline. This offline meaning printer not connected with PC, right? If you want to set up more about the printers, the printer properties. Okay. Now this not will come because the printer in offline. Okay. If you connect the printer, this offline changes online. After that, you can pick the printer property, and a particular printer property will appear in your screen. You can customize the setup. Actually, this setup enough to take print out. And here setting the print all pages. That means now we have 7 pages in this document. 7 pages in this document. If you want to print all these 7 pages, you can select the print all pages. And here in this list, have the print current page. Means your active page is this one, first page, right? This is the first page or second page. Now it is the third page, right? So now active page is the first page, right? So if now I select print current page, the printer select the print and click print. Now this current page only, one page only print out. Okay, right. Sometimes when you select the custom print, you can select which pages want to be printed. Example, the 4 to 6. That's mean the page printed, the page number including 4 and 6. Including 4 and 6. 4, 5th and 6. 3 pages will take print out, right? So we can give the range. Otherwise, like that, the first comma 2. Now the first page and the page print out only the first page, second page, and 4 to 6 pages. So totally 4 to 6 pages, 3 pages, and first and second page. Total 5 pages will print. So you can take print out using the page number with comma. Now 5. So now the first, second, and 5th pages are printing. Okay. If you put the range with dash, that means range. That means first page and then second to 5th page, or third to 5th page. So first page and third to 5th page will print. So using this custom print, you can select which page you want to take print out, right? And here, print one side, print both side, print both side. 2 options are there: the print one side and print both sides. The one side mean the printer will take single side print. Okay. So, and then second one, print on both sides means the printer print the paper in both sides. Okay. First, you want to know the both side printing availability on your printer, the earliest printer and the normal home usage printer, mostly in single side printer. Some advanced printers, that's the dual page printers. Dual page is the both side printers. Okay. The dual printing or the dual side printing or the both side printing option available in your printer, and then you can select the print on both sides. The both side mean the one long edge and short edge. Sometimes here this means the printer take the portrait shape, the flip the print on both sides, the long edge. Short edge means the landscape style. Okay, landscape style. And manually print on both sides means when you select this one, printer automatically prints all pages first. First, third, fifth, seventh. Okay. Now totally 7 pages. So first printer print first, third, fifth, seventh, right? And then you want to collect the printed paper and step down and again put the blank side sheet. After printing out pages, one message will appear in your screen. Please insert back side. Okay. Then you can put the white page again. The print 2, 4, 6 pages will print. Okay, so this is the manually both side printing. If the printer have these features, both side printers pages, we can use this one. Otherwise, single side printing printers only use first one or for last one. Okay, right. And this one, the second, this one, collated. That's mean if you take print out 10 copies. Now I put 10 copies. That's mean that here we have 7 pages. Okay, so the printer print out the 10 copies in each page. Sometimes if you select this one, 1, 2, 3 means first print 7 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 7, like that, 10 copies. After take print out, you can collect 7 by 7, 7, 7, the one copy, that's the 10 copies. If you select this one, the 10 copies taken the first page first. So first 10 print out the first page, and then second page take print out 10 pages, like that. So mostly we are selecting this one. That's the easy to stapler, put the stapler. Otherwise we want to rearrange the order. Okay, mostly this is the default one. Then this one is the page orientation, the portrait and landscape. So the page you are designing the page with the portrait shape or with portrait orientation. You can take the portrait print out or landscape print out. And this one, paper size. Actually, this is the paper size. So first, if you select this paper page setup to the A4, here the A4 is the better. Otherwise, if you are designing A4, then if you select A5, the page will reduce, right? So we are selecting A4. That's normally the normal photocopy paper size is A4. And here is the margin. This already we set the margin in the page setup. The page size and margins are already set. Okay, so that's no need. Next one, this one, the paper per sheet or page per sheet. Papers, not paper. Pages per sheet. Default, we are selecting A4 paper. Designing paper size also A4. When you select the one page per sheet means every page is print out in every paper. If you select 2 pages per sheet, now your page, this page, 2 pages are printed out in the side by side in A4 paper. The printing size is A4. So your documents are scaled down and they fit with 2 pages in A4 paper and print out. So like you are the handout or anything. Like that you can put 4 pages or 6 pages. Okay, mostly we are setting or we are reducing the paper into pages per sheet. In the PowerPoint presentation, we can set 4 in 1 or 6 in 1. But the Word document, the first single page or 2 pages per sheet, that's right now. Others not suitable, right? After preparing this document and then click print button, the printer will take this print 10 into 7, 70 pages will print down. The set of print, the 7 papers set into 10 sets. Okay, this is the printing option. And so you can take printout. And in the pictures in the Word, we can, you know about save as, file and save as, and click the browse and put your name, select the location, select the location and select desktop. And here the page name, right, the file name, and in the default the Word document, right? So normally we are saving the Word document file. So if you save the Word document, you can open the particular document whenever you need, you can open the document and we can edit, right? So you want to save this type, the Word document. So we can save this document in different format. Here, so many different formats are there. The earliest version of MS Office, and the important one, the PDF. You know about PDF. The PDF is one of the simple and simple, and the requirements is less. Any computer, we can open the PDF. So most of the web content in the PDF, because all machines have PDF. Sometimes the PDF software, the Adobe Reader software, not in your PC, but the browser will open. Nowadays, the browser will open. If you install the PDF, that's mean the Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can open the PDF file. Otherwise, sometimes not install on your PC, the PDF file will open Google Chrome or any browser. Using the browser, we can open the PDF. So mostly the PDF file is better to sharing any documents, right? So we can save this as PDF or web page. You can convert as web page, and plain text we can set it as plain text. So there are so many formats are there. XML also you can see XML. Using XML we can manage in the website, right? Easily read and write the content, page content using the website, right? So okay, you know the Word document, okay, and the PDF. If you want to save this document as PDF, select PDF and put your name, the file name, and click Save button. Now this file converted as PDF. Actually, this is the PDF file. The 7 pages. This PDF file have 7 pages. This file, the memory size also reduced. Here, kilobyte, and this is my Word document, and this is the PDF, right? This PDF is the dependent list are small. Small means less dependency. So normal PC, we can open the PDF file using browser. Every computer have browser, any browser, at least Internet Explorer. Nowadays, all in Internet Explorer also will open this PDF, right? So, okay. Nowadays, so sometimes if you have the PDF document, the earlier, before the 2013 version, before 13, we have members of 30 version, we cannot import PDF file to the Word. Okay, sometimes this you have an PDF file. You are planning to enter this content in your Word. If you copy and paste, the formatting will not align. It's difficult to align with Word document. Okay, so the earlier there's some Word PDF to Word converted there. We can download and we want to purchase some license. Okay, using the license we can install particular converters. Using that converter, we can convert this PDF to Word. I think this PDF also have the features, just export PDF to other files, right? Word to Word file or other Excel file or Word file or different file, but not actually this software not licensed. When you convert this file, the license asking you want to purchase license, right? But nowadays, after from the 2013 version, MS Office 13 or 16 or 19 or 20 or 21, you can open PDF directly. No need to use any converter. Okay. Example, now I have this PDF file. Now I want to open this PDF content in Word. After that, we can edit. Okay. So first open the Word and file, open. Yes, open and browse. And I have this PDF file on the desktop. Select the desktop, and here these are the PDF file and Word file. Okay, so actually this is our file, the saved file. Select this PDF file and click open. The converting process going. After converting, we can open the PDF content here. Yes, now is the PDF content in Word now. After that, we can edit this. Actually, these are text in the Word document. Nowadays, so we can open the PDF file in the Word document also. That's easy easy to us to edit some contents from the PDF. But the original PDF file they're not changed on the original PDF file. The PDF file contents will open on the Word. After that, you can't save this content, updated content, the same PDF. You can save as another version or second version or the Word file, but you cannot save on the previous, the original document. Okay. So actually, these contents are converted in the PDF or Word. The PDF file, this one. No any changes on the document. Right? So whenever you can export or you can save your file, save your Windows Word document to PDF file, right? Like that, you can open any PDF file content in your Word document. After importing the particular PDF content in your Word document, you can edit, you can format the particular document. And after that, file or PDF file. But you can so you know about how to save this Word file as PDF and how to import PDF file to Word. Right? Right. Next, another option in the Word, we can restrict to edit for editing or changes on this document. Very important. So if you want to share this document, somebody can change on this. Okay. So we can log or we can protect the document with editing or anything. Okay. Go to file and info. Here, protect document. Okay, protect document. Click on this here. The restrict editing. Encrypt with password. Right. Now I am giving the restrict editing. One on the right panel will appear in the right hand side. Here the formatted restriction, the limit formatting to a selection of styles. That's mean if you tick this one, now the formatting means select content and change font style, font size, everything are locked. Right? Using the setting, we can select which are blocked or which are allowed. Right? So many styles and formatting are there, or in default all are ticked, right? So using this, you cannot format. Formatting means you can change size and color, everything, and also editing. Now these are the restricted to block the formatting, change the formatting, color. So in everyone. This one for restrict to edit the content. Okay, edit the content. So now anybody cannot edit on this document. No changes. That's in the read only. Here drag changes. So anybody can put the drag, but cannot change the original document. Or anybody can comment or fill in the form. Okay. And when you select this filling the form, the original document cannot edit, but you can fill the documents. Okay. And no changes, that means read only. No can anyone do any changes. Right? and then click just start enforcing production. Click this one. The system asking the password, right? Password. So because after that, myself, the owner of this file, want to be edit, no? So they have the username and password. Oh, sorry, password. So I put password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again re-enter password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I put the password for this restriction. Click OK. Now this document producted. Save this document and then you can close this document. Now the document available in your desktop. Open this document. In default, the document in view, no any editing. You can view. Otherwise, here you can, in the editing view, the right bottom corner, you can click this edit print layout. You can get it. But you cannot edit anything. I typing in here, but the message restrict editing. Select and delete. We can't delete. No any changes. You cannot be enter anything in this text, or you can edit or anything. At least these all are restricted. Here, font size and bold, everything locked. Okay, everything locked. So only viewing and reading only. Now this particular document we can send, we can share with others. Others cannot do any changes on this document, including format. They cannot be able to change the color also. So they can't change the formatting. Right now, if you have your password or your owner or anybody, they know the password, production password, the right hand panel, the top production, sorry, stop production. When you click this stop production, the password will ask. System asking password. If you put the wrong password, they cannot do move further. So click this stop production. I put the correct password now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click OK. Now this production released. After that we can enter anything or delete any data. Okay. Whenever you can restrict the permission to edit or format the original document. Okay. And also we can apply. Now I remove this restriction now. And also we can put the production to with password. This is the open password. Without password, you cannot open the particular file. Right? So in this case, go to the, after editing your document, click the tool and info and get product document and encrypt with password. Password will ask. I will give password. Again, re-enter password. Now this document password protected. Now I save this document and close this. We can share this document, but anybody cannot open. When open, the password asking. Without password, anybody cannot open, including owner also. Sometimes owner sometimes forget the password, the only one way to delete the document. Otherwise, we cannot open the document. Okay. So some confidential files and some confidential letters and the examination papers, we can set like that. So most of the university, academic and higher education institute first prepare the exam paper and then send to the second moderator and third moderator, and then they want to correct. So when they sharing the exam files, we can put like that. So that's the confidential information. Okay. So if you sharing any confidential information, you can put the password and send this letter through email or anything, and you can share the password with another mode, via phone or SMS, not same mode. Okay, if you are sending the password also with same mode, there is no meaning. So you want to send the file one mode and send the password another mode using SMS or WhatsApp or Viber. You can share the password and you can send the file through another mode, email or anything. Okay. Without password, we cannot open this file. So I put the correct password. I put the correct password now. Click OK. Now the file will open. Okay. And we can edit. Without the correct password, we cannot open. Okay. And okay, when you save this document as PDF, we can put this production, the open password to PDF also. Right? File, save as, and select the save as type as PDF. Okay, now we are selecting the document, or we are exporting this document as PDF. So select PDF and click the option here. Click the option here. And then here, all pages are converting as PDF. So you can select which pages only, 1 or 2 pages. So you are selecting from this to this pages. So you can convert as PDF. And here, the last option, encrypt the document with password. So when you check this option and click OK, now password asking. I put password 456456, and here also 456456, and click OK. And I put the name as document 11. Save the document. Click OK. Now this PDF, this Word document, save as PDF file. Okay, in the selected location with password production. Now I open this document, PDF document, first asking password. Without putting the password, we cannot open this file, PDF file. Right? So I put the password, correct password, we can open. So whenever, if you want to open this PDF file, first you need to, with the password. Without password, we can open. And another option in the when you change the PDF, the minimize size. Actually, this standard is the file quality is high. Maybe the file size is same, right? The Word file, example, the one Word file around 100 MB or 100 KB. The PDF also 100 or 120 KB. That's a PDF is build quality. Good quality. If you select the minimize size, the quality is reducing. Sometimes some images are bleeding or the quality are less, but the file size is very less. Example, if your Word file around 100 MB, sorry 100 KB kilobyte, after converting this PDF, maybe the 20 KB or like that. So we can reduce the file size when you're converting the PDF, but the quality is reducing. Okay, and also we can set password through this general option. We can set password through this setup also. And another option, I'm searching. We can set more security. I don't know. I'm not familiar with that. Right. So using this, the right. Okay. Using this password, we can protect the PDF document also, right? Like that, this available, the PDF converting features available in our Word version from the 2013. Before 13, no any conversion. The MS Office, sometimes some of you are having the MS Office 2010 or 7. That version not available on the PDF conversion, right? So we can convert this file as another method file and say get print out, and then here select here one option available, Microsoft print to PDF. This printer available in all Windows 7 and Windows 8 or Windows 10. All versions have this option. If you select this one, now this printer is ready. Actually, this converting printer available in your Windows operating system. Right? Select the PDF, and now all thing you can set all thing and select print. Okay, now the particular print page will appear. You can put the file name and save. You can put the save or PDF. You can convert this file as PDF. Okay. So using this print option, we can save as PDF. Yeah. So suppose in your Word version is earlier than 2013, so maybe 10 or 7 or the PDF saving file not available in the Word. So you can use this method, file print, and select the print Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay. I think most of the contents are explained. Okay. The word practical session almost finished, right? Now open for your question. If anybody facing any problem to do when you designing any assignments up to 1 to 9, I will upload this assignment, another 2 assignment available. And 10 and 11. This assignment I will upload today. You can do like this, the application form. Okay. You can align with this content using this text box. You can arrange this text, and here also you can put one box and you can change outline and fill color, and then input text, and you can place any images. No need to search the same logo. You can place any images on this place. And actually this, please omit this one. Okay, only English version enough. Right? Okay, in English version enough. No need to enter Tamil version. So if you can, Tamil students, you can enter the name in Tamil. Sinhala students, you can enter in Sinhala language. And I think one class I explained about how to enter any text in the local language. Okay, so you can enter this. This is the University of Vietnam in Tamil. You can enter Tamil and Sinhala here. An application form, and you can do like this text, and this we can using the table. Okay, table or box or anything you can do. You can prepare this type of application form using previous knowledge. So you can divide in 2 columns. That's easy. And the leading line already explained. Using the leading line, you can do this one. And this one also you can do in the leading line. Divide into 2 columns, and then you can use. Okay. I will give this assignment to you. I will upload this assignment today. You want to do this assignment. And the 11th assignment, one invitation card. Actually, this card size is A5, half of the A4. Okay, half of the A4. You can get print out in 2 pages in one sheet, like an invitation card. Right? You can give this border using the page border, and the word art. You know the word art. Insert word art. Using this word art, you can design these texts and this text, and you can place images and these contents and images, and you can do like this. Okay, this is 11th assignment. Please first set up the page as A5, right? And then you can design like this. This both assignment I will upload today, not today. The batch 2 not complete the last Monday Poya demo. So the class practical as classes for the grade group 201 group 2 on the next Friday, right? So after Friday evening, I will upload this video and this 2 assignment 10 and 11. I will give some time to do yourself, and then you can upload. Okay. Now open for your discussion. Anybody, if you have any problem?
Recording stopped.
On any another student asking another question. Right. First, I will explain about how to leader. Right. So leader line means first, right? First left hand top corner have the indent, tabs, right? Tabs. I increase the size, right? Okay, right. Here, in the corner, left hand top corner, one option the tab. Now the left tab available. When you click this one, the center tab and the right tab, and again click decimal tab, bar tab, right? Now the active tab is left tab. I am placing tab here. Otherwise here and here and here. Right. I place 3 tab on the horizontal ruler, and when you press the tab key, automatically the cursor go to first tab position. And they again click tab key, go to second tab position, and again press tab key, the third position. So the tab usage of tab, this one. Okay, so with tab position, we can arrange the leader line. So if you want to arrange the leader line, click this tab, double click on that. And here, 3 tabs are there. 1, 2, 3. Here, on first tab on this space nearly 1.13, and second point at 1.38, and the third point in the 6 point like that, right? All are left alignment, or that's the left tab, right? Here, I am planning to enter some the question or the text here, and from here to here, second to third, we want to place the leader line. Okay, second to third, or otherwise from second to third up to third, we want to place leader line. So second and third, between second and third, first select the third one. That means up to third. Okay. Up to third means second to third. Select this one and select the leader line style. I put this one and click set. Now the particular leader line put up to third tab position from second tab position. Right? No need to select the second one. You are selecting third. Automatically put that leader line from the previous one to up to this one. Click OK. Now name and press tab key and press. This is the leader line. After that, you can select that the leader line, and you can move this leader line position, or this the tab position automatically move the leader line using this tab. And also you can arrange like this here also. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, how to insert? Shapes. Okay. Go to insert and shape. You can get the shape. You can get any shape from this rectangle. Right, rectangle. And after that, right click on it and add text. Right, now your cursor will appear in this. The other shapes means insert shape. So all these shape, you want to right click on that and click the add text. Oh, yeah. But problem. Sometimes maybe like this. Example, like put some text here. When you point out the cursor within the shape, this intonation may be like that. The direction also vertical. And this one, the text direction. Text direction. This one. Now you are in laptop now. Can you show your problem? Yeah. Monitor and reference the footnote, insert footnote, and put now number there and click OK. Here footnote placed and second footnote put there and insert again footnote, second footnote. That's okay. So you are asking within the one text box, no? To text. I place some content with this text box. I place here and give the reference. All right, okay. So actually, the footnote we can put the body text only. Actually, this text box in different objects. So we can put we cannot put the footnote for the text box. Okay, so we can only use insert for the body contents. Then another students asking, if you delete this last page only, now we are in the 7th page. If you want to delete the 7th page, place the mouse pointer in the 6th page, right? And delete key, press delete key. Now pages are deleted, last page is deleted. Okay. If you want to delete a particular page, example, the 2nd page, so if you want to delete the 2nd page, place the mouse pointer in the end of the last page and delete key. Now the particular page will be deleted. Now the number of pages is 5. So here 1 space are here. Automatically the contents are moved. If you want to delete this one also, you can delete. Okay. If you want to delete the contents with the page with content, select all content. And delete. The page deleted. So using the delete or backspace, you can delete. Sometimes, now we are here, and sometimes somebody go enter. Here, so many enter key there. Okay. So when you place the cursor here, when you click the delete key, only spaces are deleted. So multiple deletes. If delete the all enter keys, after that, the page will be deleted. Anybody, if you have problem, ask. From next week, we will start the PowerPoint. Next practical session, PowerPoint. Okay. I will give the message about the assignment examination. I want to discuss with the dean and other heads. I think 12 students responsible about no any laptop or desktop, right? 12 students. So because I want to give the marks for the assignment, 10 marks. Anybody, if you have any problem, ask. Otherwise, we will close the session. If you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, the class is finished. You can leave. We will see in next class. If you have any problem, you ask. Otherwise, you can leave. We will see the next class.